So in this unit, we're going to cover a section that is very important and I think sometimes overlooked by new users of the Ultimate Prep system. And I'm talking about the very first thing that you should acquaint yourself with when you first get started in the system. And if you've been using the Ultimate Prep system for a while now, whether that's a week, a month, or many months, I really want you to pay attention to this section. I really want you to take the time to watch these quick videos. They're not going to be long because this is really simple to do, but it's important. It's important because these are the assumptions that will drive the accuracy of the information that you see here on the dashboard, in these graphs, in these metrics, etc. So you need to make sure that you update these. Again, it's really simple to do. I'm going to go through each of them in their own video, but I want to encourage you to make sure that you do not skip this section and go. I know it's tempting to go straight into your food inventory, but this really does need your attention and just a few simple preferences for you to configure your system before you get started. So with that said, we'll get into the next video.